Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to scan document using Microsoft OneDrive. So guys, first of all, open your Microsoft OneDrive on your phone. This is my OneDrive application, so I'm tapping on it. Then we can tap on this camera button to start scanning a document. Tap on this camera button, then you can capture your document with your camera. Just tap on this button to capture the document like this. Okay, and now the document has been captured, and we can tap on this confirm button. Alright, and after that we can edit this document before we save it to our OneDrive account. We can use the editing tools right here. You can crop the document, you can rotate it, and it's up to you. Once you're done, you can click on this done button. Okay, then you can rename your document right here, and after that you can tap on this checkmark button to save this document to your OneDrive account. Okay, and now the document has been uploaded to our OneDrive account. Alright guys, and that's how we can scan document using Microsoft OneDrive application. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.